position, Sarah. Leave it alone.
Sarah, it's my turn. Sarah can't stop getting the bullets. Okay. If you get about right above your head, it's bonus.
Oh, darn it.
Sarah! No! Now it's my turn.
Oh!
Oh! You hit the jackpot. Oh man, way off. Hey, it's mine. Sarah, and that would have been a perfect score.
Give me some of those.
Where's mine?
Something is wrong with it. Something is wrong with this game.
Hey, Daddy, give me my last.
Hey, Sarah.
Here.
Thanks.
Okay, get in position there.
Sarah, I'm gonna
Okay.
shoot. I'm gonna shoot.
Go.
Oh man, way off. Yeah, we're sort of doing the same thing actually.
Oh,
Who won?
oh, that's a close one.
I think it's a tie. Tie. Good
Honey.
game, Daddy.
What's wrong with this game?
I like it. It's good target practice. As long as you don't miss, it's okay.